Somi's gameplay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Among Us game. So, Shashank, which map we are going to play? So hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this is Shashank and I'm back here with another video. In this video, we'll be playing Among Us. So we'll be playing in the map of Polis and we'll do like that. Since a part 1 of tour of maps you already saw. It's the Among Us gameplay tour of maps. We created a map. We'll be playing all the maps by first is the normal first starting map. Now we'll be playing from airship to the starting map. Yeah, we are starting the game. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go to the game. And now I think I'll be the crewmate this time. I want to be the imposter. Seriously, if you haven't seen the part 1, hopefully in this tour of maps we be the imposter at least once. Yeah. I be the imposter.
Yeah, you're there, you're Stammer, and you're not an imposter, I think.
I'm crewmate.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, have a problem in a storage room. Okay. Hey, this game of man had been banned.
Okay, so now I have to go to
fix the lights.
I'm
going.
Oh, wow. Green.
No, green is not an imposter. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that was an orange. Just say.
Report. I'm going. He did it so trickfully. I'm saying I'm going. He's done for today. It's orange. I have called it. It's orange. I say it's an orange. It's orange.
I think this time the game finishes within minutes.
Yes.
Within some minutes.
Nobody votes for us.
I think we can make a second game in this video.
Fine. That will be amazing for our subscribers.
Yeah.
Orange.
Please all vote for orange. He was an imposter. Yeah, okay. Shit.
Oh yes, but he still got voted.
So yeah, we both voted.
I think
they are group.
Skipped. Okay.
Everyone skipped the
It's
vote.
orange. I'm saying it's an orange. Next, wait for a few while and be far from orange. Okay.
Yeah, be far from orange.
Okay, we know who's the imposter.
Hey, where are you, Stammer? I'm so afraid.
Oh my god, orange just came past me. Oh yes, vote for orange.
Vote for orange. Everyone vote for orange. Just please, orange. I think we can vote for orange. Yeah, orange was an imposter. Please vote for him. I don't know whether our members in that game are not.
Texted it was him. So yeah, vote for him. It is a big room.
Oh wow!
Oh yeah!
Yes!
Another game.
Yeah. I thought that it will go.
Sorry guys. He's an imposter. You did it in front of 2 people.
Yeah, that was me and my brother.
Oh, that is such a coincidence. Okay, I think so. We can give a play again and we'll do in this game only. Hopefully, a few more people give play again.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Really, Stammer, you're looking like a detective.
Fine, I'm Detective Stammer.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys.
Hey, we still need only 2 members.
Okay, guys.
So happy.
If you want to know how to install an Among Us mod on your phone,
We'll confirmly put a video in the upcoming videos. Yeah, I'm going to start the game because there is 10 members. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so
So
hopefully I be imposter this time. You know what happened last time?
I told you I was a crewmate, right?
Crewmate?
Yeah, I'm the crewmate.
Okay.
I saw you.
And I'm also crewmate for God reason.
Hey, please come back off me. I'm so afraid of you. Yeah.
Fine, come. Alright.
Uh.
I have to go to the office. Come.
Yeah, okay. Where's the
We
office?
both should stick together.
Yeah.
So nobody can kill us. Okay. Wait here. Wait outside. Yeah. Wait there. Right there. Okay, fix the lights.
Fix the lights. Oh, no.
Vote out for him. Nobody can kill so fast. Vote out for Brown. I'm saying it's Brown. Like the first part, I'm saying it's
Hey,
Brown.
booked out. He was just near me.
No.
Okay.
He was not.
Okay.
That was blue.
Just be calm.
That was blue.
That was blue?
Yeah.
Whom I should vote? Oh, shit.
It got skipped.
We should be very, very careful with blue and brown. I have both also now.
Yeah.
I think in that one will be the imposter.
Okay, even I have doubt because blue was also full.
Hey, blue was just coming.
I'm thinking brown is following.
Yeah, I do think it.
There's no lights.
Yeah. God, it's.
I'm going to the electrical guys. I am the one.
Hold on.
Oh.
No. Oh. I thought we could fix the lights.
Okay. Who's the imposter? I have real doubts.
Yeah. We have still 2 members. That's a doubt. I think we can vote for brown first.
Yeah.
And then we can vote out for blue if he's not an imposter. Yeah, I think this game also will be very soon.
Oh, they have voted for green. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see it.
Oh yeah, he's an imposter.
Hey, no, he's
No,
not an
okay.
imposter.
Okay.
I know.
I also have still. Okay, we have got the
Hey,
power.
Stammer.
And wait, come follow me.
You want me to follow you? Whom shall I follow you?
Oh my god, how many times?
Hey, where are you?
I'm going to fix the lights.
Yeah, you're going to fix the lights. I'm very, very sad about because I'm.
Oh, blue.
Blue was an imposter. How?
Blue.
How?
Blue.
Oh no! Just vote for blue.
Blue. I'll try texting.
Yeah.
I'll try texting. What is his name? What this fellow's name is? Cheltula something. Okay, fine. I am telling
Hey.
it. Can you see my post?
Chill juice.
Can't see my post. Oh no, that's so bad. It's him.
Yes. So
We
this
got
also went in a minute.